This leak stumped 3 contractors and wasted a lot of money. They replaced the roof, plumbing, windows, but nothing worked. Leak shows up a day after it rains. None of our fixes worked. So what's wrong? We asked generic AIs, which suggested checking the obvious spots we'd already fixed. But Pearl AI identified something no one had considered. It explained how water could be entering through the exterior wall junction, traveling along the ceiling joists, and only appearing after saturation. Then we used Pearl's Verify feature to connect with a real contractor who confirmed the diagnosis. Pearl fixed the actual problem with minimal expenses, instead of ripping out more walls or replacing more plumbing. Stop guessing, start fixing. Get Pearl AI today.